Hello, welcome to our fourth lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to model a cylinder. There are two ways to do this. In the first method, I start by sketching on the front plane. I place the origin at the midpoint of my first line and draw a rectangle. I dimension the lines. Then, I use the revolve command to rotate the sketch around the line on the origin. And our cylinder is formed. In the second method, I sketch on the top plane. I draw a circle, placing the origin at its center. Then, I use the extruded boss command to give the circle a height. And our cylinder is formed.